We've just had our launch of our brand new development here at Milton Park, which is the Nebula development. So we've welcomed lots of people today, including the project team, local occupiers, stakeholders, and our local MP, Olly Glover.
The event went really well. It's a great example of what Milton Park can deliver, and I know they've got more plans to open up new spaces for business and scientific sector to use.
Oh, the main highlight of today was having our local MP here, Olly Glover. We were delighted to see him sitting on a Harley-Davidson bike and for everyone to come and see the vehicles and to showcase what we're all about here at Harley-Davidson.
From the moment we met as a team with Milton Park and saw the Nebula development, we knew that this was our new home for the UK staff, and we're super excited to work with them. It's incredibly professional when you're negotiating, but a lot of fun, and just a testament to that is today with us all being so excited for the ribbon cutting.
Nebula is all about bringing new businesses to the park, building community, and it's about creating great spaces for people to do extraordinary things. So watch this space.